Bula from Basel, Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Limited, and we are based in Delhi and corporate office in Noida.
Sir, this is a smart city. Now it's an Indian project. Government of India has come up with this 100 smart city project, and all. Some of them, like 33, have been selected already. So, what are the solutions that your organization is providing, especially in a green field, imbibing or putting up smart solution for smart cities and all is easier compared to that in old cities. So how are you providing solution to these challenges?
Yeah, now for any smart city solution, whether the old one or the new one, as we have been deliberating for the new greenfield kind of project, it is very simpler because you can plan all the technologies together and implementation is much faster and much better and efficient. In the old city, you have to define ways of how to collect or sense the input from various areas of activity. Let us say waste material management. If you're looking at then how do we get the input? The garbage has been collected at what time, the vehicle has to be RFID tagged, and then the whole tracking can be done, the manpower has to be tracked. So all those sensing of those inputs and thereafter bringing them all to the centralized command and control system where you can analyze the whole data and thereafter give the data to the response team for getting corrective action and implementation of various activities relating to the smart city or the safe city project. Now the main challenge of course is that many places the roads may be very narrow, there may be places where proper facilities of laying down those sensors and cabling and the existing cables to be sensed. You have to work where the power cable is going, where the water pipes are going, to sense those things, to bring out an output from those positions so as to send it to the central command system. That is where is a challenge with the old city kind of a situation. And so the technology remains the same. It's only that you have to much work harder and more closely with various agencies of the state government or the municipalities to jointly bring out and work together and add on the technologies to their systems so as you can sense the the final output. And once it is sensed, then of course the process is the same. It comes to the command and control system, and then you can use all kinds of analytics which are available and can have response team information to be provided. So IT platform or the control and command platform, there is no problem, but even in the old cities, but it is the bringing in signals from each of those systems from that is a challenge. Yeah.
So now, sir, your organization does it provide end-to-end solution, or like what is the role it's playing in terms of making a city smart?
Yeah, we are basically originally a broadcast company looking into the television broadcast and radio broadcast but now the environment is a converged environment where the broadcasting, the telecommunication and IT, we can say it's totally converged because the final output of each of this communication mode is an IP signal, IP data stream. So even if it is television, the final digital output is an IP stream from your phone. The output finally comes out in a digital stream. You can convert it, and so also all the data. So it's all the three areas, whether it is CCTV camera, so it has got the camera function, the audio catching of the audio output, or the social media, they're all digital domain platform. So together our company has therefore diversified to CCTV, access control, surveillance, the automation software, the analytics softwares, and we are into this business now providing these kinds of solution to various mainly government agencies. Sorry. So You see, our job being a public sector organization is that government wants to implement all these projects, Yeah, now how do we implement these projects? Because everywhere, the tendering has to be done, and then you have to go for an L1 bidding or make out the tender in such a manner that you get the right kind of agency to execute it at the right price, following all the government rules. So when we as a PSU, our job is basically, if we can, evaluate the various technologies available, do an apples to apple comparison between them, accordingly draft a good RFP in such a manner that you get the right product and you bring in good competition among the players and finally implement the project. So we do consultancy as well as we do turnkey projects also, whereby we start from making of a detailed project report, thereafter do the tendering, prepare the RFP, do the tendering, evaluate it, place the orders, execute it, implement, hand it over to the respective government agency or department, and thereafter the annual maintenance contract, including placement of trained manpower. So we take a total end-to-end solution to any government department if they give a job to us on a nomination basis, and in many places we are participating in tenders also, to implement the projects.
Okay, sir. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.